Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll break down the difference between the monthly and annual plans in Calilio. Calilio offers both annual and monthly subscriptions options to give you flexibility and savings depending on your usage. The monthly plan is perfect if you prefer flexibility. You're billed each month and can upgrade, downgrade, or cancel anytime. The annual plan is ideal if you're in it for the long run. You pay once a year and enjoy a discounted rate, helping you save more compared to paying monthly. You'll get the same features and support on both plans. The only difference is how you're billed and how much you save. Monthly plan. To give you the benefit summary, the monthly plan is flexible, requiring only short-term commitment, whereas the annual plan is cost-effective with long-term savings. And that's the quick overview of Calilio's monthly versus annual plans. If you need help choosing the right plan or switching between them, our Calilio support team is available 24/7 via live chat. Thanks for watching.